Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Valorant Tracker site and signing in with the account currently linked to your Valorant profile. This is necessary so you can see connection settings. Once signed in, head straight to your profile area, look for your avatar or username in the top bar. Make sure you can access the email tied to this account because the site may require verification for account changes. This prevents accidental unlinking and protects your game data. You now navigate to Account Settings or the Connected Apps section to find the Riot Games or Valorant connection. This is where trackers manage game links. Once you find the linked Valorant entry, click it to expand details. This reveals the Unlink or Sign Out button and any consequences listed by the tracker. If present, read the short note about data retention. Once you understand that, press the Unlink or Sign Out option to initiate the disconnection process and follow any on-screen confirmation prompts. You complete the process by confirming the unlink prompts. Many trackers send a confirmation email, so check your inbox and click any verification link to finalize the sign out. Once confirmed, log out of the tracker site and clear your browser cache or app data to remove stored sessions and tokens. If the connection still appears, revoke access directly from your Riot or Valorant account security settings, then reauthorize and unlink again. This resets the permission and resolves lingering link issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.